at LinkedIn Local Casey. This is a new initiative that we're putting on, and there's just a bunch of us that turned up to have a conversation about what we do. One of the questions was, if you had 1 minute to explain yourself on a video, what would you say? So this is my attempt at that. We help local Australian manufacturers have the product designs they need in the electronic space to be able to make stuff in Australia successfully. When most people hear that, they say, our commiserations, because they think manufacturing is actually dead in this country. What they don't know is it's currently the second highest growth sector of the Australian economy, put on 85,000 new jobs in the last 18 months. The only people hiring more people than manufacturing are the government, and that's a Liberal Party government, mind you. So manufacturing is far from dead. We're super busy, and it's all Internet of Things, industrial controls, infrastructure appliances, water, waste management, digital musical instruments. We're having a ball. So thank you for listening to this, and au revoir.